Hey there, green thumbs and plant lovers. I'm here to guide you through the wonderful world of houseplants. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to level up your indoor garden, let's dive into the essentials to keep your green friends thriving. First off, choosing the right plant is crucial. Not all houseplants require a sun-drenched window. Some flourish in the shade. So whether your home is flooded with natural light or more on the dim side, there's a plant just perfect for your space. Now let's talk dirt, literally. The right soil mix can make a huge difference. A well-draining, nutrient-rich potting mix is key. And remember, different plants have different appetites and container needs. Repotting them at the right time helps avoid overcrowded roots and keeps your plants happy. Watering, probably the trickiest part, right? Too much love in the form of water can actually harm your plants. It's all about balance. I'll share some signs to watch for, ensuring you're hitting just the right amount of hydration. And it doesn't stop there. Proper lighting is crucial. Whether your plant is a sun worshiper or a shade seeker, I'll help you understand exactly what it needs. And if you run into trouble, like the dreaded leaf drop or those pesky pests, don't worry. I've got troubleshooting tips to keep your plants healthy and vibrant. Apart from the joy of having a lush indoor oasis, did you know plants also purify the air? Yes, they remove toxins and even help with humidity and noise levels, making your home not just beautiful but healthier too. So whether you're dreaming of a jungle-like feel or a minimalist vibe with just a few succulents, I'm here to help you make that dream a reality. Let's get our hands dirty and our homes green. Join me in unlocking the secrets to thriving houseplants. Trust me, your greenery and your well-being will thank you.